Which single-DIN car stereo is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Kenwood KMM BT332U. First up is the Kenwood KMM BT332U. Right off the bat, I was drawn in by its sleek design and the built-in Amazon Alexa feature. At around $119, it's positioned as a mid-range option. If you want a car stereo that combines smart features with solid audio performance, this is worth a serious look. This stereo is a gem for anyone prioritizing connectivity. The built-in Bluetooth allows for seamless audio streaming and hands-free calling, which is super convenient. Plus, the USB 1.5A connection charges your devices quickly, so you won't find your phone dead halfway through a road trip. With a powerful 50 watts per channel amplifier, you can expect clear sound quality that brings your favorite tracks to life. And let's talk about the 13-band equalizer. This means you can truly customize your sound to fit your style, whether you're into bass-heavy tracks or clearer vocals. With over 589 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, people are clearly satisfied. Now, some folks have mentioned that it doesn't play CDs, which could be a downside if you still have a collection lying around. Here's the thing though, most people are streaming these days, so for many, that might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a smart, feature-rich stereo that enhances your driving experience. Skip this one if you're still attached to your CD collection. For its price point, it delivers great value. Now, if Kenwood's lack of CD support is a concern for you, this next one might take a completely different approach. Product number 2, Jensen MPR210. Next up is the Jensen MPR210, priced at just $39.99. I was honestly surprised by how much you get for such a low price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on functionality, this is definitely worth considering. The 7-character high-contrast LCD is a standout feature, giving you clear visibility of your settings and presets. The built-in Bluetooth capability is fantastic for hands-free calling and streaming music, which is crucial for staying safe on the road. Plus, the dedicated voice assistant button lets you use Siri or Google Assistant for navigation and music control without taking your eyes off the road. With over 7,700 reviews and a rating of 4.2 stars, it's clear that this little unit is making waves. However, some users have pointed out that the sound quality isn't as robust as pricier models. But here's my take. If you're just looking for basic functionality without breaking the bank, this isn't a deal breaker. It's still a solid choice for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-frills stereo that gets the job done without emptying your wallet. Skip this one if you're an audio enthusiast seeking top-notch sound quality. For what you pay, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more versatility. Product number 3, Car Radio Bluetooth. Coming in at just $23.99 is the Car Radio Bluetooth Single DIN. Honestly, I was skeptical about how good this would be at such a low price. If you're after a basic stereo that covers all the essentials without any fluff, this might be your go-to. This stereo features Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and music streaming, which is a must-have for modern cars. With dual USB ports, you can charge 2 devices simultaneously, meaning no more fighting over who gets to charge their phone. The customizable EQ settings allow you to tweak the sound to your liking, which is great for users who want to personalize their audio experience. With a rating of 4.2 stars from 2,300 reviews, it's clear that many find it a worthy buy. Now the downside here is that some users found the build quality to be a bit lacking. I get it, if you're looking for something durable, this might not be it, but if your focus is on functionality and price, this is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you need a simple, budget-friendly stereo for casual driving. Skip this one if you want something more premium and long-lasting. For the price, it's an unbeatable value. Now, if that budget option didn't quite fit the bill, let's move on to a more feature-rich choice. Product number 4, Boss BVCP 9700A FL. Next, we have the Boss Audio Systems BVCP9700A FL, priced at $181.45. Right away, the large 7-inch touchscreen caught my eye. If you're looking for a more advanced car stereo that feels modern and user-friendly, this one's worth a serious look. The standout feature here is the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. This means you can access your favorite apps and navigation tools directly from the touchscreen, all via voice commands, super handy for keeping your hands on the wheel. Bluetooth capability allows for hands-free calls and music streaming, and with multiple inputs and outputs, it's easy to connect other devices. With a 4.1-star rating from 1,600 users, this unit is clearly making a good impression. Here's my thought: for those who prioritize functionality and a smooth interface, this might be a frustrating point, but with the wealth of features it offers, many might find it worth the trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a high-tech stereo that integrates seamlessly with your smartphone. Skip this one if you're looking for something simpler without the touchscreen bells and whistles. For its feature set, it delivers solid value. Now, if touchscreen isn't your style, the final product offers a different kind of functionality. Product number 5, Boss 625 UAB. Last but not least is the Boss Audio Systems 625 UAB, priced at $31.99. I was honestly impressed with how much they packed into this budget-friendly unit. If you want something that's simple yet effective, this one should be on your radar. This stereo offers Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and music streaming, which makes it super easy to use while driving. The auxiliary input is great for connecting other devices, and the USB port lets you play music from a flash drive. It also includes a remote, which is a convenient bonus. With a 4.1-star rating from over 2,100 reviews, people seem to appreciate its value. However, some users noted that the sound output can be underwhelming compared to higher-end models. But here's the kicker: if you're not an audiophile, this might not matter to you at all. For casual listeners, it delivers decent quality without a hefty price tag. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, no-nonsense stereo that fits your basic needs. Skip this one if you're an audio expert seeking top-tier sound. It's hard to beat the value for the price. So there you have it, 5 great options for single-DIN car stereos, each catering to different needs and budgets. To wrap it up, we've seen a range of options from the feature-rich Kenwood KMM-BT332U to the budget-friendly Boss 625 UAB. Each of these stereos brings something unique to the table, whether it's advanced connectivity, user-friendly features, or just straightforward functionality. Choose the one that best fits your needs and happy listening.